Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. The stylist is doing a beautiful bob for this one. Absolutely gorgeous. So with the summer being officially on the way, or pretty much here, a lot of women are going to be cutting their hair this season. It is a great time to go short. So if you are thinking of going shorter, this video will definitely inspire you to make a major hair change. So here we have someone with medium length blonde hair, and it looks like she ended up getting a really cute trendy mullet style. This is very in right now. She kept that bleached blonde look. So here we have someone with hair just past the shoulders. Oh, she got a mullet too. Like I said, this is a very popular hairstyle right now all over TikTok. And then we move into a pixie transformation. Like she's getting a traditional short and sweet pixie. And then we have a nice cut refresh. So she's just kind of getting a cut refresh on the pixie here. Ooh, side swept bangs to frame out the face. Gorgeous. And her pixie has a lot of texture to it. It has that nice choppy layered feel and look. Very cute. So here we have another cut refresh. Now she has more of that asymmetrical pixie look here, hair longer on one side versus the other. This is so cute. Beautiful shape on this pixie. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Oh, whoa, okay. She went with this beautiful copper color. Gorgeous natural curls in the form of a pixie. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that she has the red lip to set off the look overall. Such a beautiful transformation. So here we have someone who decided to big chop their hair into a bob. Like I said, a lot of women are going to be going shorter this summer season. So here we have someone, now she has some thinning hair going here in the crown area. The stylist cuts the hair and she ends up getting a beautiful pixie. Now if your hair is thinning, that would be a great option. And then here we have someone getting some color. Looks like she's doing a purple and platinum color mix here, or purple and silver. This is kind of giving me like mystical, you know, unicorn hair. Ooh, look at that pixie. This is such a gorgeous style. So pretty, and she got the full 90s style classic pixie shape here. Very cute. So here we have someone, now she's not going to be getting a transformation, but I thought that this hairstyle was very interesting. She's got like an undercut going here, and then look at that color. Absolutely gorgeous mix of black and blue, a little bit of silver going there as well. And then here we have someone with a pixie, and she decided to get the hair cut into a classic pixie shape. Very 90s.